So set up the decline bench to where when you're in there and you come down, the bar's right under your chest. Go ahead, watch out when you get in there. Go ahead, go in kind of angled so you don't hit your head. Perfect. Now, we need a 90-degree angle with the hands. So go ahead, grab the bar where you're about a 90-degree angle. For him, I put his ring fingers on the line. What he's going to do is he's going to unclamp it. So it gets unclamped, shoulders, tuck them down all the way. Elbows under the wrists, even when you come down. This exercise, you can go all the way down. That's fine. Come down to right under your chest. Breathe in on the way down. Perfect. Blow out on the way up. You could go down all the way or about half an inch to an inch off your chest, depending on how your shoulders feel. Keep your elbows under your wrists, even when you come down all the way. If the elbows are up or down, it's not going to work the area of the chest we want it to, and it can hurt your shoulders. And with this exercise, your shoulders are going to want to fight and come out of place. You got to fight back and keep them down, lock them downward. So go ahead, breathe in on the way down, go out on the way up, and tuck those shoulders down. Keep your head straight, look up, and don't waddle around. I'm going to have them show us a few reps, and then we're going to rack it back and show you how we rack it. 2, good. Breathe in, blow out, nice set. So now we're going to go ahead, come up a little bit, rack it, and we're done.